Hi everyone, I'm Angela. Welcome and welcome back to Angela's Fashion Mix. I thank you for coming, and I have added a day to my weekly content, and that day is to be Wednesdays. So, what Wednesdays is designated for is some brand information that I like to share. I don't share all brands. It must relate to my aesthetic and something that I feel I will enjoy. If I feel I will enjoy it, then I will definitely share that with you. So I'm putting those kinds of things into Wednesdays. Still some on Sunday. It really depends on what's involved in creating that content. Also, some DIY and some additional fashion things that I want to share. Do stick around. Go ahead and subscribe, like the videos, and do share. I appreciate those of you that are sharing. If you're finding value here, let me know that in the comments. And several of you have asked for some specific kinds of videos, and those kinds of things will also fall primarily into the Wednesday content. So I'm talking about a brand today called Cupshe, as you can see in the title. So the looks that I'll be creating today will be with these specific items. So Cupshe reached out and offered to have me make some selections of things that I wanted, and there are 7 pieces. So we're going to create some looks from those pieces. Now, I'm not familiar with Cupshe prior to this, so I'm going to be assessing it as I go along as well. But I will be letting you know what I think of the items. So Cupshe started as a company that makes a line of swimwear, but recently added fall clothing to their offering. So that is what I'll be showing to you today. And we are going to start with one of my favorite fall colors, which is olive green. So all of the items that you're going to be seeing are fall items. And I picked tops. I didn't pick any bottoms. Bottoms are a little tricky, so I did not do that. But this is a crew neck, has a seam going down the front. Long sleeve, of course, and has a rib detail here at the bottom of the sleeve. This is what the back is going to look like. And I like the high-low effect here on this. So that's one. And you know by now, if it was to be picked, there would be some black and white in the mix. So I also selected a black and white sweater, a little bit of a boat neck there on that. And I know you've seen my videos with regard to how I wear leopard print. So got a little bit of leopard print in the mix as well. And this is a jacket. Has the wide collar. Feels like fleece. So this should be really warm is what I'm expecting there. So we're going to be creating all these looks with all of these pieces. As mentioned, there are 7 pieces. And primarily sweaters and cardigans. I like the gray and the tan with the white mix here. And it's a horizontal stripe. Not something that I have. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to try a cardigan in a stripe. No buttons. It's just a pull on. Feels like it would be really warm. And this excited me because I don't have a brown sweater. No, I don't have a brown sweater. So this is a button-up cardigan and one of my favorite fall colors, which is why I selected it. And we're going to do a lot with that. Another cardigan. So in being able to select the things that I wanted, of course, would pick things that is going to work with my wardrobe, and cardigans are something that I wear. So this is a gray, kind of a heather gray, has a 3/4 length cuffed sleeve, and it also has kind of an inverted seam. So there's a rib seam on the sleeve as well as on the side. So, and it has the splits there. And finally, a white blouse. I think we always need white blouses and keep something nice and crisp. Now, we'll see how that's going to work out. It looks a little bit big, so I downsized on this. It still looks a little bit big, but we'll see how it works. This has the drape neckline, and it is a short sleeve blouse. So those are the pieces that we'll be using to create 7 looks. So I will be back at the end.
For look number 1 with the high-low sweater, I like the high-low detail. I like that the back comes down below the hip. And for the front, I like that it's high enough that you can see a pretty belt beneath. I like the inverted seam right here in the front that meets the crew neck. I like the detail there on the wrist. I like that it's longer from the elbow to the wrist. I think that's a nice look there. It's loose fitting and I do like that. It feels really warm and I think that'll be a great casual outfit. In the black and white, always a great combination, and this look gives just a feel of casual comfort. I like that the stripes are wider apart and the detail on the sleeve, I like that it ends there with the black trim. I like the boat neck. I like the lower seam on the shoulder, and this is all casual. In the cardigan, I chose this because of the 3-color combination. I think these are great fall colors, and I've paired the cardigan with a gray turtleneck that matches the gray in the cardigan. These 3 colors are going to be very versatile for fall. It's a loose fitting knit. It's lightweight, but I also believe it's going to be a warm feel. I like that it's going to be a nice overlay on top of a turtleneck. Just gives you a little bit more of an updated casual feel. This cardigan, I really like the 3/4 length detail. I like the 3/4 length sleeve. I like that the sleeve is cuffed to add some interest there. And it's a soft fabric. It has a little bit of texture to it. And pairing it with the boot and the complementary belt, I think this whole combination looks nice together. I like the inverted seam on the sides as well as on the sleeve. And I think the 3/4 length sleeve detail there just dresses this up a little bit. It's lightweight, but it also has a little bit of a feel to it for a jacket. I like the way the cardigan looks. In the sweater, I like that it's buttoned up the front. There are 4 buttons. The one is hidden because I roll the hem. Of course, it is to be worn with the rib detail at the hemline, but this just gives an additional option. And I like the V-neck. It's a heavier weight sweater, and I think this is going to be great for cold days. This is one of my favorite pieces here in the white top. It's a soft fabric. It feels good, and I think this just is very, very dressy. It can be also worn with jeans, but what I love about the neckline with the drape is that it's gonna wear well with a variety of jewelry styles. So you can do something drapable, something hanging, something high on the neck like the collar that I have, and I think this is going to just be a nice complement for an easy dress up opportunity. So this is the black and white blouse. I like the short detail there on the sleeve. And to finish off all of the looks, I am putting in the leopard print jacket. It's a soft fabric. It feels like fleece. It's soft like fleece, but I think it's going to have some warmth to it. It's lightweight, but I do like that it has the wide collar and it has pockets. So this look is going to be a nice complement from fall to winter, and it can be dressed up or dressed down. This is going to be great with jeans. It's going to be great as in a look here for cover up, and it's going to get a lot of wear. And those are the looks.
So I hope you enjoyed the looks. I had fun creating them. And as you can see, there's a look from just sitting on the couch to going to an elevated evening out or to an event with the final look. So that I absolutely love about these pieces is that there's versatility in how you mix them and match them. So just from those little pieces, with having the one basic black bottom for the casual look and working that up into a skirt for possibly a teacher that needs comfort and versatility. Great options there with regard to warmth for the classroom. And for fall and winter, there's some good options with the cardigans as well as the sweater. So that I do like. They're very comfortable pieces. And Cupshe is not just bikinis, it is now offering fall and winter clothing with comfort and durability and the special fabrics for comfort and a wide range of sizes ranging from extra small to 4X. So there's a little something for everyone. So if you choose to make a purchase of any of the items, the links are there for those individual pieces as well as a discount code. So I have a discount code that will give you 15% off if you spend $65 or more. The pieces are very affordable, and I absolutely love that as well. So I hope you enjoyed. So take a look at my Instagram. That's where my day-to-day looks are. That is also at Angela's Fashion Mix. And don't forget to subscribe while you're here, like and share. We will see you in the next video. Bye.